Hi everyone, it's me, Holly. We're back again. I'm wearing the same top as a previous video that's coming out soon or has already come out, and please do not judge me. Yes, I am here doing my first ever unboxing video. As you already have read by the title, today is going to be a Dolls Kill unboxing, which is very exciting. Minor bleep interruption, shout out to Daisy and Joe. So yeah, where did I get up to? I have a box of things from Dolls Kill, which is obviously a US brand, an American brand, and if you couldn't tell already, I'm English, I live in England, I live in Brighton, UK. Dolls Kill is known to be like an alternative, very funky, very cool website where you can buy cool, funky, sassy brands. Student loan dropped at the same time I got paid from work, so I got a bit excited. It's also January, so it's the January sales, so everything's highly discounted. So I thought, fuck it, why wouldn't I just spend some money on myself? So firstly, it's just come, and guess what? This is probably the biggest exciting thing. No custom fees. I have just got this big box and no custom fees. Everyone has been freaking me out thinking I'm gonna have to have paid like £35 in custom fees, but no, nothing. So should we talk about the packaging, because everybody loves packaging. It says Dolls Kill and then it has the website on it. It also says, I'm here, let's party, which is very correct because I am going to be wearing what I bought to a party next week. And also they have this really cute, I'm such a mess, like doodle artwork on the side, which is very cute. It's very aesthetically pleasing. So yeah, let's get into the goods. Okay, so I don't know where my scissors are, so we're going to use my house key. Oh my god, hashtag hack. You can open things with a key. I'm very excited. Can you see what I bought already? So, the first thing you get is Delia's new collection drop. It's just like a new collection drop. That's the first thing that comes in the box. Okay, so the first thing that I got is a necklace. This necklace cost me £11.65 and it's called the Kitty Gang Heart Choker. Oh, it's quite heavy. Okay, so I'm gonna bleep out the word, but it's a heart that says, because I'm a bitch. No. Okay, so it's a silver necklace. Oh, it's tiny. Oh my god, I don't think my neck's gonna fit around that. It's like a bracelet. I have quite a fat neck. It can go quite far. Will it fit round? I mean, okay, it does just about go round, but I mean, hardly. I mean, you pay for what you get, I guess. I mean, £12, quite expensive for a necklace. For me anyway, I don't really spend that much on jewellery. And I also thought that the links were going to be more like on that side. So I thought it would be more like that would be there and then this one would be here. But it sort of like is on its side instead, which is fine. I think it's cute. Oh wait, hold on. It does do that. It was just being really stupid. Okay, I was just being really stupid. It's got a nice weight to it. It is made of metal and not plastic, which is good. But yeah, I think it's just like a cute little thing. You don't see it every day. You're not going to see that going into Topshop, are you? So yeah, it's really fun. Obviously, don't wear it to dinner with your partner's grandparents, which is something I would probably end up doing by accident and then be like, oh shit. But yeah. Okay, so the next thing in the box of dreams is a bag of slime. I'm joking. Obviously. This is a coat, a fur coat, a lime green fur coat, which I paid £46.60 for, but it was originally £58.25. So you've got over £10 discount on there. It comes just in a plastic that says Current Mood. I'm not sure if that is a mini sub brand, like a boutique in Dolls Hill, but it probably is. So this is a Current Mood jacket. This is how it comes. I've got a bit of paper and then little gel things. Oh my goodness. Okay, cute. It says fake AS. Fake AS? Fake as shit? Oh, fake as? Oh, fake as fuck. It's this lime green fur coat, which to me is literally everything. It's quite long. I'll add in a cutaway of me actually wearing it. It has these nice clasps on it. So I've got 1, 2, 3 clasps, which seem just pretty standard for a fur coat. Okay, but this is like everything. I feel like a slime monster. How 2019 away. Oh my god, orange and green. Who knew that this would be my new favourite thing in the world? I thought I was going to be wearing it with pink mostly. First impressions, it's nice and soft. It's nice and long. It goes to just over my bum, which is pretty good. The sleeves are quite decent. Not too short, not too long. I'm a UK size 10. But yeah, this seems like a nice size. So that's just for reference. Like I hate when people are like, I got this in a size 5. And I'm like, cool. Love that for you. It makes no difference. But yeah, if you're like because obviously it's an American brand, the sizing might be a bit different. But no, it seems pretty decent. It pretty much feels like around a medium, like 10. I think maybe if you were at a 12 to 14, it might be a little bit too small. Who's obsessed with this though? This is like such a cool look. Green, pink, lilac, neon yellow, like all of them colours I think are going to be very 2019. So I'm very happy with this. I think it's a statement piece. I think I'm going to wear it loads. I think it's going to be just one of them things that takes your outfit from not 0 to 100, but like 50 to 100. So yeah, what do you think? Comment below. Oh my god, could you hear my stomach growl then? I'm hungry. Okay, so the final thing, it is a statement thing, but the final thing I bought from Dolls Kill is some shoes. This also says Current Mood, so I'm not sure if this is a boutique or if it's a collection, but I will do some more research after I film this video, and I'll either put it on the screen or I'll pause it and like tell you what it actually is. So we've got a shoebox that says Current Mood. I like the little mood drawings. I think they're very cute. So in the US, you have to size up 2 sizes. So I would be a 5 in the UK, which means I'd be a 7 in American sizes. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so excited about this. Oh my god. 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 These are fucking cool. Oh my god, I'm living my 70s fucking fantasy, bitch. Yes, honey. So, these are like a faux fur, like faux hair material. They have a nice chunky platform, a nice chunky heel, so they're gonna be okay to walk in. Like, you're not gonna die in these. I mean, this is just from first impression. The zip's a bit stiff, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, why is that doing that? Maybe it's just brand new, so it just needs a bit going. Ah, these are fucking cool. I'm sorry, but what? I just literally prestiged 10,000 points of life because I now own these boots. What the hell? I am just so excited. And they're everything I wanted it to be, really. Should I put one on my foot and see if it actually like fits true to a UK size? Oh no, they're perfect. I definitely would say if you're a 4'5", get a 5, because it's not actually that big. The zip's a bit of a bitch. We don't like her. She's not invited out again. Where's the way, look. I'm so excited. These are really cool. Okay, my verdict is, well, since standing up in them, they are a small 5. They're a small UK 5. So if you're like a bit of 5, but like a big 5, I honestly would say get a 6, which would be an 8 in American sizes, just because my toe is like at the edge of them, and I've got kind of fat feet, you know, got kind of wide feet, so these do fit. I reckon they'll be fine to walk around in, especially when I've worn them out a few times and like loosened them up. But no, I'm very impressed with these. And these boots were $45.05, so kind of expensive, kind of okay. You're paying for what you get, really. They're better than I've got from like Public Desire, which is an online kind of cheap brand, but they're obviously not like £80 shoes. Altogether, I think it's been quite a fun little haul. Zebra print shoes, lime green fur coat, necklace. Let's get into the money side of it. So altogether it was meant to be a subtotal of £103.30, and the shipping is free. So I think if it's over £100 or over a certain amount of money, you get that free. And then they had a discount, which I think I found, I'm not sure. I think I downloaded that Honey thing, you know, Honey, the little add-on thing that like YouTubers always promote. And yeah, I saved £11.34. I think they also have a Uni Days student discount, so you could always use student discount. So altogether, the grand total was $91.96, and no shipping. Shipping was free and no custom fees. So I just paid for what I got, which I think is pretty good. And I'm very happy with what I got. I'm very excited. It's probably not worth doing unless you are gonna be spending like money on like a few things. Do you know what I mean? Especially if you want to get like the free shipping. I think it's totally worth getting free shipping. It came within like a week and a half. It wasn't extremely long, but it wasn't extremely quick. And it's FedEx, so you have to sign for it. So it's all very legit. It's all very cool. The quality is very like what you get. It's like proper middle range. It's not super cheap, but it's not super high end. And I'm pretty standard with that. That's my go-to. That's my shit. So I'm happy. I'm very happy. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my Dolls Kill purchases. Please do stick around. We do lots of fun fashiony things on this channel, and who knows what else we're gonna get into. It's January 2019. I might develop and blossom into a full-blown YouTuber by the end of the year. So yeah, subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.